channel. So today I'm going to be testing out the CGO method on my natural hair, and CGO stands for cream, gel, oil, in that order. So I already have freshly washed and conditioned hair. You guys can watch my previous video to see what products I used, but if you're interested to see my thoughts on this method, keep on watching and make sure you're subscribed for new videos. Alright, so the CGO method. Now, I've heard great things about this method. I'm usually a LCO method girl. I have low porosity hair, so I always found that doing the liquid, the cream, and the sealing with the oil was great for me. And I always preach this to like my clients, to anybody who comes in contact with me asking me hair questions. I'm like, LCO is the way to go. And if you're high porosity, I always tell them to try the LOC method. So for my step C for cream, I'm going to be using the Hampton Maximum Hair Growth Moisturizer. So with this product, a little goes a long way, and you really only need a dime size amount for each section. So this product is all natural. It features 16 of the most potent hair growth ingredients. So it's really moisturizing as well. A little goes a long way, like I said. Aloe vera, shea butter, castor, amla. You name it, this product has it. So just put a little bit on each section of your hair, and you can apply this to your scalp as well. And of course, you guys already know, if you watch my videos, I give you a 20% off coupon code. Use the coupon code YouTubeFam at checkout for 20% off, and this code is valid for the next 24 hours once the video is live. So head over to MHHairCare.com to shop all of your hair growth needs. So moving on to G, gel. So I am a gel girl. I do like using gel. I do have some exciting news, but I can't talk about it right now. So for today's video, I'm going to be using this Eco Styler gel, and my favorite Eco Styler gel is the shea butter one. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair from roots to ends. So with the gel, a little goes a long way as well, and I don't want my hair to be crunchy or anything like that, so I only use a small amount. And finally, the last step is O for oil, and oil is great because it will seal in the moisture as well as kind of break that seal that gel kind of gives to hair sometimes. So I'm going to put a few drops of the Hampton Hair Growth Oil all over my hair and see how it turns out. So I like to apply the oil in a praying hand motion. As you can see, I just apply it to like my hair, like I'm praying my hands, putting my hands together. I don't know how to explain it, but that's how I apply the last step. This is like my everyday oil as well. Of course, it grows your hair super fast, but it also mimics the natural oils in your hair. So it just does a great job at being like my everyday oil to just take it in my bag and take it with me everywhere I go. So this is how my hair looks with all the product on it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair. So I just started being a diffuser girl maybe a year ago, and I love it. I love the way my curls always turn out when I use a diffuser. Is air drying, so that's what I'm going to do today. So this is how my hair turned out. I really like the way it turned out. I was very impressed at the curl definition, and I actually I'm going to show you guys how it turned out the next day, because I did this hairstyle at night and then I went to sleep. And if you guys want to see a updated nighttime routine, I can do that too. But yeah, so this is my hair the next morning. And then this is my hair maybe 7 hours later that same day. So yeah, I really love the way my hair turned out, and I definitely approve the CGO method. So if you guys have tried the CGO method, comment down below what your thoughts are. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give me a huge thumbs up on today's video, and you can follow me on any of my social media, TikTok, Instagram at Miriam J. Hampton and at MHHairCare. And I will see you guys next time.